Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BritBox on Roku step by step clearly. To activate BritBox on your Roku device, start by turning on your Roku. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Scroll down to the Streaming Channels option. Select Search Channels from the menu. In the search bar, type in BritBox and select the app from the results. Once you find BritBox, click on the Add Channel button. Wait a moment for the app to install on your Roku device. After installation, return to the home screen. Locate and select the BritBox app from your list of channels. Launch the BritBox app by pressing the OK button on your remote. You'll see a welcome screen prompting you to sign in or start a free trial. If you already have an account, choose Sign In. You will be provided with an activation code on the screen. Now, grab a computer or mobile device and open a web browser. Visit the BritBox activation website at britbox.com/activate. Enter the activation code displayed on your Roku. Follow the prompts to log into your existing account or create a new one. Once you've completed this process, return to your Roku. The BritBox app will refresh and log you in automatically. You are now ready to explore and enjoy BritBox on your Roku device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.